بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to science class. Open your book page 16. So students, today we will read how we can keep safe ourselves on the street. Always keep your ears open. Listen for the sound of approaching vehicles. Never play on busy roads. Always keep open your ears while crossing the road and listen to the sound of the vehicles which are coming towards you. So never play on the busy roads and never play on the busy roads. When you are walking along a busy road, walk on the pavement. Pavement means a footpath. When you are walking on the busy road, so you ought to walk on the footpath. Cross the road at a safe place. Look carefully in both directions before crossing the road. When you are crossing the road, so you need to look on your both directions. And in the playground, watch out for younger children. Your actions may cause an accident. Wait for your turn and be patient. Do not play roughly. In the playground, we should follow these rules. First one is watch out for the younger children and wait for our turns and be patient and never play roughly. If we follow these rules in the playground, so we can save ourselves from many accidents. First aid: if someone get hurt, call an adult to help. Do not crowd around the injured person. Do not try to move the injured person. जब कोई इंजर्ड हो जाए तो किसी बड़े को हेल्प के लिए बुलाना चाहिए और इंजर्ड पर्सन के इर्द गिर्द हुजूम नहीं बनाना चाहिए और हमें इंजर्ड पर्सन को मूव भी नहीं करना चाहिए. And do not try to move the injured person. So students, in this unit we read some rules, some main rules. If we follow these rules at home, at school, on the street and in the playground, so we can save ourselves from many dangers. Now your homework is concept check. Fill in the blanks. When walking on a busy road, walk along the dash. Look carefully in dash direction before crossing the road. Number 2, put the labels on this plate to show how much of each type of food. A balanced diet includes bread, rice and grains, meat, fish, nuts and eggs, milk and dairy products, fruit and vegetables, fats and sugars. We will make a plate of a balanced diet in the book. Okay students, take care and Allah Hafiz. See you next time with exercise of this unit.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.